In the previous class, you have learnt about Windows 10 as a very user-friendly operating system software. Let us know some more about this amazing software. Cool fact: with Windows 10, the start screen has gone and you boot into the desktop by default. Features of Windows 10. It's almost free. If you are using Windows 7, 8 or 8.1, you'll be able to upgrade to Windows 10 free for an entire year. It's the first time Microsoft has launched a new version of Windows for free. Goodbye Start Screen. With Windows 10, the start screen has gone and you boot into the desktop by default. There is no more flipping between interfaces or finding yourself lost as you switch apps. The Start menu is back. The Start screen may be gone, but the Start button and menu are back in Windows 10. Task View. Click the new Task View icon on the taskbar and you'll see all your open apps arranged as windows on the desktop. Cortana Talks. Microsoft's popular software that graces the Windows Phone platform has finally arrived on the desktop. The search tool powered by Bing resides next to the Start menu button. There's a search box with that words Ask Me Anything with a small button and a microphone graphic on the right. You can actually talk to Cortana. Settings. The PC Settings app in Windows 8 was not easy to navigate. Microsoft has renamed PC Settings as Settings in Windows 10, having more settings and options. Windows 10 Tasks. Change desktop background. You normally spend a lot of time on your start screen or desktop, so you may want to personalize it so that it suits your taste. On your Windows 10 desktop, a background, also known as wallpaper, is simply the picture covering your desktop behind the icons. To change it, follow these steps. Right-click your desktop and choose Personalize. Windows 10 will open the Settings Apps Personalization section. Click the drop-down list to choose between covering your desktop background with pictures or colors and select Picture from the background drop-down list. Select a new picture for the background. Decide whether to fill, fit, stretch, tile or center the picture. Setting the screensaver. A screensaver is a moving picture or graphic on the screen that protects the screen when it is not in use. To set the screensaver with Windows 10, follow these steps. Click in the search box next to the Start menu. Type Screensaver and press Enter. The Screensaver settings window appears. Click the down arrow in the Screensaver box and select a screensaver. After choosing a screensaver, click the Preview button to check how it would appear after saving. View as many options as you like before making the final decision. Click the Settings button to see some more options. When you are done setting up your screensaver, click OK. Windows saves your changes. Cool fact: the preview box on the Screen Save window shows how Screensaver will appear on your screen. Changing the lock screen. To change the picture of your lock screen, follow these steps. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Windows 10 will open the Settings Apps Personalization section. Now select the lock screen option from the left panel. Choose your picture from the background drop-down menu. You may also browse and select your own image as a lock screen. The preview window will show the final effect before you finally select your option. Cool fact: the lock screen will appear whenever your computer is locked, which happens automatically after a few minutes of inactivity. Changing the account picture. To change your account picture, follow these steps. Click the Start button on the desktop. Click the Settings button as shown in the figure. From the Settings window that appears, select the Accounts option. Under the Create Your Picture option, select Browse for one. Or, if your device has a camera, select Camera and take a selfie. Your profile picture will change. Cool fact: Windows remembers the last 3 pictures you have used as your account picture. You can switch the picture on the Your Info page by selecting any one of the 3. Pinning apps to Start menu. By default, the Start screen doesn't show all of the apps on your computer. However, it's easy to pin your favorite apps to the Start menu so that you can open them quickly. To pin an app to the Start menu, follow these steps. Open the Start menu, then find the app you want to pin in the list or search for it by typing the app name in the search box. Press and hold or right-click the app, then select Pin to Start. Cool fact: To unpin an app from the Start screen, right-click its icon and select the Unpin from Start option. Cool fact: File Explorer was earlier known as Windows Explorer. Working with files and folders. You can easily manage your files and folders by using the File Explorer app in the desktop view. File Explorer allows you to open, access, and rearrange your files and folders in the desktop view. A file is a single document made in any software. For example, a document typed and saved in MS Word is a file. Similar or related files are saved together in a folder. For example, you can save all your images, movies, and songs in separate folders. The icon of a file will appear according to the software used to create it. Different file icons. Click the folder icon on the taskbar in the desktop view to open File Explorer. Cool fact: The folder icon generally looks like this. Components of File Explorer window. As you can see in the figure given above, the File Explorer window has many components. Let's learn about them in the following section. Navigation pane. You can quickly switch between folders in the navigation pane. Simply click a folder to make a selection. Navigation buttons. Use the back, forward, and up buttons to switch between folders. Ribbon. The ribbon consists of different tabs with options for viewing, sharing, and organizing your files or folders. It also has common shortcuts like copy and paste. Address box. Use the address bar to see the exact location of the current folder in the hard disk. Search bar. Use the search bar to search for particular files or folders. Simply type the name of the file or folders in the bar and press the Enter key to locate it. File Explorer ribbon. In Windows 10, File Explorer has a ribbon toolbar. This ribbon has a number of tabs which contain buttons and commands used for most common tasks. The different tasks that you can perform from the Home tab are copying and pasting files and folders from one place to another, moving files and folders to another location, copying files and folders to another location, deleting a file or folder permanently or sending it to the recycle bin, renaming a file or folder, creating a new folder or other new items, verifying or modifying the properties of a document or folder, opening a file or folder. The ribbon under the Share tab gives you different options to share your files and folders. These include emailing or messaging a file, compressing, zipping a folder so that it takes less space, printing or faxing documents, sharing your files and folders with other users or networks. The ribbon under the View tab allows you to change the way Windows displays your files and folders. Some of the tasks that you can do through this tab are adding additional panes to show a preview or details of your files, changing the way icons appear, for example, small icons, large icons, tiles, etc., sorting and arranging the contents of your folder, hiding selected folders, recycle bin. Sometimes files and folders can clutter your computer. The recycle bin, an icon present on the desktop that resembles a waste basket, is where you put a file or folder if you want to delete it. You can open the recycle bin anytime and see what's inside by double-clicking the recycle bin icon located on the desktop. It will show all the deleted files or folders in it. You may right-click on any icon in recycle bin and choose to click the restore option. It will cancel the deletion and bring the icon back to the location from where it was removed. Cool fact: you may right-click on a file or folder to find different options related to file or folder operations.